To fix the Bluetooth icon not showing in Windows 11, start by checking if Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Go to Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then toggle the switch to turn on Bluetooth if it is not already enabled. If Bluetooth is enabled but the icon is still not visible, check the system tray settings. Click on the arrow icon in the system tray to expand it. Then click on the Bluetooth icon to see if it is hidden. If the icon is not in the system tray, go to Settings and click on Personalization. Then Taskbar, and click on System Tray, and turn on the Bluetooth switch. Another possible solution is to restart the Bluetooth service. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find the Bluetooth support service. Right-click on it, and select Restart. If restarting the service does not work, try reinstalling the Bluetooth driver. Press the Windows key and X to open the Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click on the Bluetooth adapter, and select Uninstall Device. Then restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Additionally, check for any Windows updates as they often include fixes for Bluetooth issues. Go to Settings and click on Update and Security. Then click on Check for Updates, and install any available updates. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting the Bluetooth settings to their default values. Go to Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then click on the three dots next to your device and select Remove Device. Then restart your computer and pair your device again. This should fix the Bluetooth icon not showing in Windows 11.